One 2024 SUV depreciated $28,400 in just 24 months. That's $1,183 lost every single month you owned it. Meanwhile, another SUV actually gained $2,100 in resale value during the same period. Today, we're exposing the 3 absolute worst SUVs of 2026 using NHTSA complaint data, Consumer Reports reliability scores, and verified depreciation rates. Then, we're revealing the 4 best SUVs that hold value, pass crash tests, and won't leave you stranded. One of the worst has 23 recalls in 5 years. One of the best comes with a 10-year warranty. Stay until the end because the #1 choice surprised even veteran automotive journalists. Let's start with the disasters you need to avoid. The 3 worst SUVs of 2026. Worst number 3. Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. The Eclipse Cross fails in every metric that matters for long-term ownership: fuel economy, resale value, reliability, and maintenance costs. Real-world fuel economy averages just 24 mpg combined. That's the worst in the entire compact SUV segment, falling 22% below the class average of 30.8 mpg. Kelley Blue Book shows it loses 61% of its value in just 3 years, meaning a $27,000 purchase becomes worth only $10,530. Consumer Reports gives it just 2 out of 5 for predicted reliability, placing it in the bottom 12% of all tested compact SUVs. The turbocharged 1.5L 4-cylinder produces only 152 horsepower, the weakest engine in its class, taking 9.8 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. The continuously variable transmission fails at a 6.8% rate before 80,000 miles, according to NHTSA warranty data, which is 7.5 times higher than Honda's 0.9% CVT failure rate. Annual maintenance costs average $641 per repair pal, which is $124 above segment average. The infotainment system is stuck using 2018 technology with no wireless connectivity, while all competitors offer modern features. Mitsubishi's shrinking dealer network means finding parts and qualified service gets harder every year as more dealerships close across North America. Worst number 2. Jeep Compass. The Compass earns second worst status because it combines the single lowest reliability rating in its class with catastrophic depreciation and the highest maintenance costs you'll encounter. Consumer Reports rates it just 1 out of 5 for predicted reliability, the absolute worst score of any compact SUV currently sold. Real-world fuel economy averages only 25 mpg combined, which is 19% below class average. Kelley Blue Book shows 56% depreciation in 3 years, erasing over half your investment. The 9-speed automatic transmission suffers harsh shifting, delayed engagement, and complete failure at an average of just 47,000 miles based on NHTSA complaint database analysis of 2,847 filed reports. Electrical system failures are epidemic across all model years, with owners reporting infotainment screens going black, backup cameras failing, power liftgates breaking, and complete electrical shutdowns requiring $2,400 body control module replacements. The 2.4L Tiger Shark engine consumes excessive oil, with owners forced to add a full quart every 800 to 1,200 miles. Annual repair costs average $762 according to RepairPal, the highest in its segment. The 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty is the shortest available. J.D. Power gives it a quality score of just 71 out of 100, which is 22 points below segment average. Worst. Number 1. Nissan Rogue Sport. The Rogue Sport takes the absolute worst position because it fails spectacularly in every ownership category. Worst depreciation, highest transmission failure rate, weakest engine, and do not buy reliability rating. Kelley Blue Book shows it loses 62% of its value in just 3 years, the worst depreciation of any SUV we researched, meaning a $26,000 purchase becomes worth only $9,880. The CVT transmission has the highest failure rate of any modern SUV at 11.4% before 100,000 miles, according to NHTSA warranty claim analysis. When it fails, Nissan charges between $5,800 and $7,200 for replacement. Over 3,400 owners filed official complaints about CVT shuddering, grinding, overheating, and complete failure that strands drivers. Consumer Reports rates it 1 out of 5 for reliability and placed it on their Do Not Buy list for 2025-2026 models. Real-world fuel economy averages only 26 mpg combined, despite having the weakest engine in its segment, a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter four-cylinder producing just 141 horsepower. Getting to 60 miles per hour takes 10.2 seconds. Annual maintenance costs $688 per repair pal. NHTSA rated it just 4 stars overall, with a concerning 3-star rollover rating. Nissan offers only a standard 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty with no powertrain extension despite these known issues. Alright, enough financial disasters. Now let's talk about the SUVs that actually hold their value, get great mileage, and won't bankrupt you in repairs. Here are the 4 best. Best number 4. Mazda CX-5. The CX-5 secures 4th place by being the only compact SUV that completely eliminates CVT transmission disasters. Instead, it uses a traditional 6-speed automatic with torque converter that's shown 0 reported failures in NHTSA's complaint database through 150,000 miles of testing. Consumer Reports rates it 80 out of 100 for reliability. The naturally aspirated and turbocharged 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engines use timing chains that last 200,000-plus miles with 0 maintenance, never requiring expensive timing belt replacements. Real-world fuel economy averages 28 mpg combined, and the turbo version delivers 256 horsepower while maintaining 26 mpg highway. Kelley Blue Book shows 68% value retention after 3 years, significantly better than segment average of 58%. Annual maintenance costs average $481 according to Repair Pal, which is $102 below class average. IHSS awarded it top safety pick status. Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus system adjusts engine torque 200 times per second during cornering for handling that rivals German competitors. Interior quality uses premium materials with sound insulation measuring just 67 decibels at highway speeds. The starting price dropped to $28,570 for 2026 after Mazda reintroduced the base S trim, making it $2,100 cheaper than 2025 while adding standard safety features. Best number 3. Honda CR-V Hybrid. The CR-V Hybrid takes 3rd place by combining proven reliability with exceptional fuel economy and the most cargo space in its segment. Consumer Reports gives it an 81 out of 100 reliability score, and NHTSA awarded it a perfect 5-star overall crash rating with flawless scores in frontal and side impact tests. Real-world fuel economy averages an impressive 38 mpg combined while delivering 204 total system horsepower, proving you don't have to sacrifice performance for efficiency. The CVT transmission paired with Honda's hybrid system shows just 0.8% failure rate through 100,000 miles, the most reliable CVT in the entire industry, compared to Nissan's 4.2% and Mitsubishi's 6.8% failure rates. Kelley Blue Book shows it retains 66% of original value after 3 years, which is 8% better than segment average. Annual maintenance costs just $421 according to AAA data. That's $196 below class average of $617. IIHS gave it top safety pick status. Interior space leads the class with 39.3 cubic feet of cargo room and 40.4 inches of rear leg room. Standard Honda sensing includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking that prevented collisions in 96% of test scenarios. Starting price of $33,450 delivers exceptional value for long-term ownership. Best number 2. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The Highlander Hybrid earns second place as the best midsize three-row SUV by delivering exceptional fuel economy, bulletproof reliability, and the strongest resale value in its segment. Real-world fuel economy averages 36 mpg combined. That's 58% better than non-hybrid three-row competitors that average 22.8 mpg. Consumer Reports rates it 82 out of 100 for reliability, and Toyota's hybrid system has proven unbreakable with just 0.01% failure rate over 200,000 miles based on warranty data. Kelley Blue Book shows it retains 70% of original value after 3 years, the highest retention of any three-row SUV, and 12% better than segment average of 58%. Annual maintenance costs just $425 according to RepairPal, significantly below the midsize SUV average of $573. The 2.5L four-cylinder paired with electric motors produces 243 combined horsepower, while the nickel metal hydride battery comes with a 10-year, 150,000-mile warranty. IHSS awarded it top safety pick status, and NHTSA gave it 5-star overall rating with perfect scores in frontal and side impacts. Seating for 8 passengers with 16 cubic feet behind third row and 48.4 cubic feet with third row folded. Starting price of $44,620 delivers unmatched value for families needing 3-row seating with long-term reliability. Best number 1. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The RAV4 Hybrid takes the number 1 position by dominating every category that matters for long-term ownership. Highest reliability score, best fuel economy, strongest resale value, and lowest maintenance costs. Consumer Reports gives it 83 out of 100 for predicted reliability, the highest rating of any compact SUV tested. Real-world fuel economy averages 40 mpg combined. That's 48% better than the non-hybrid segment average of 27 mpg, saving owners approximately $850 annually in fuel costs. Kelley Blue Book shows it retains 72% of original value after 3 years, the highest retention rate in the entire compact SUV segment, and 14% better than class average. Annual maintenance costs just $388 according to RepairPal, the lowest in its class, and $229 below segment average. Toyota's hybrid system has proven bulletproof with just 0.01% failure rate over 200,000 miles. The 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle engine paired with electric motors delivers 219 combined horsepower, while the nickel metal hydride battery comes with 10-year, 150,000-mile warranty. IHSS awarded it Top Safety Pick Plus with perfect ratings in all 6 crash tests. NHTSA gave it 5-star overall with perfect frontal and side scores. Standard all-wheel drive with terrain modes for light off-roading. Starting price of $32,580 delivers the best long-term value of any SUV sold today. Drop your budget and family size below. I'll match you to the perfect SUV for long-term ownership. Thinking about buying a Rogue Sport, Compass, or Eclipse Cross? Reply HELP right now, and I'll show you exactly how much money you're about to lose in depreciation and repairs. Share this video with one friend before they make a $20,000 mistake. Everything I mentioned is linked in the pinned comment with full Consumer Reports data, Kelley Blue Book resale values, and NHTSA crash test scores. That's not car shopping. That's financial self-defense. Now you know what dealerships pray you never research.